The rangemap command in Splunk is used to map numeric values into defined ranges. It helps classify data for easier scoring and categorization during analysis. Rangemap classifies numeric field values into categories such as low, medium, or high. These categories are based on the ranges you define for your data. The basic syntax of the rangemap command starts with the rangemap keyword, followed by the field name containing numeric values. You then specify ranges and their associated names. For example, low equals 0 to 50, medium equals 51 to 80, and high equals 81 to 100. If you do not provide custom categories, the rangemap command automatically uses 3 default categories named low, elevated, and severe to classify numeric values. An example of using rangemap with default categories is mapping a field called CPU load into low for 0 to 40, elevated for 41 to 70, and severe for 71 to 100%. You can define your own custom range categories according to your specific needs. Common category names include low, medium, and critical. This flexibility allows you to tailor classifications for various data sets. For instance, you can classify response time by defining low as 0 to 100 milliseconds, medium as 101 to 300 milliseconds, and critical as 301 to 1000 milliseconds. The rangemap command is a powerful tool to convert numeric values into meaningful categories. This makes it easier to visualize data, perform scoring, and gain insights within Splunk's search processing language. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.